Don't want to have the camera fall again. Like, okay. Move this up higher. I'm sorry. I thought the camera was in a good spot. So, okay, it's good. Hey, Mr. Build-A-Bum here, and today, and shit, there's a branch in your way. Yeah, I dropped the camera. Of course, that's what happens when I try to film a video by myself. I swear to God, it's so annoying. Every time I film a video, the camera's just like, oh, okay, I'm gonna fall off. Yeah. Okay, so hey, in this video, I'll be making a better harpoon. I don't even know if you guys can see me actually. Okay, just deal with it. Okay, I'm showing you how to make a harpoon, but I'm gonna be using this knife. Yeah, this is gonna be my first time testing out the knife, so we'll see how it goes. Okay. We gotta make a tip on this. Okay, first thing I'd like to say about the knife, definitely needs to be sharpened. I didn't do such a good job with that file. I definitely need a pair of gloves. So, actually it's carving fairly good for a knife I made myself. Actually, I was wrong. It carves surprisingly good. Of course, I didn't have to carve off very much. Now you're going to want to have kind of a stout point like this. And you put that into there, well, whatever you want to do to have it standing straight up. Then you want to baton it. I have to say, it batons a lot better than this one, partially because it's way thicker. And then you're going to need something like this to wedge into there. So then you want to go like this. Okay. Wow, baton's extremely good. Man. Okay. There we go, that's turning out good. Actually, it cuts way better than I thought it would. I thought it was going to be like crap on cutting. We're gonna need to sharpen it again, no biggie. Considering we made it from scrap metal, it came a long ways. So we're almost done. By now, you should be coming out with something like that. So this is going to be a good spear. Now what you're going to want to do, you're going to want to take your string, take a little or a lot, arm's length. I like to go by the, when you're taking bits of string, I like to go by the arm's length rule. It's just a lot simpler. You don't need a tape measure or nothing to measure it. So, clove hitch. I don't even know if you guys can see me. Square, just a simple square knot, nothing fancy. And there you have it, your own spear. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it.